Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change default browser and launcher on POCO M8 Pro. First, let's open Settings on our phone, then swipe down to Applications or the Apps menu, and in this menu tap the three dot icon in the top right corner and select Other Settings. Then go to Default Apps, and here you'll find Launcher at the very top. Now if you have installed some other launcher on your device, launcher app from the App Store, from the Play Store, then you'll be able to select it in this menu. And if you want to change any other default app, including your browser, you just have to select, for example, browser, and select the other application you want to use as a default one. You can also do this to pretty much every default application that you have on your device. So for example, we have galleries, so we have 5 different stock galleries or photo applications, basically. Now, email or your video play application. And if you want to reset settings to default, tap right here and confirm by selecting the reset. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.